There's another video about the add-ons. So let's head over to the tab here and click upgrade and scroll down to the sub accounts and teams. So again, clicking the downward arrow is going to reveal the information here. So clicking the sub accounts allows you at a time to add 5 associates or sub accounts. You can also manage the permissions, and this also unlocks the team training. So the team training is one of our experts will set up a video call with your team, and you can have as many people join the call as you like, and we can go through any aspect of the platform that you want to go through. So whether it's setting up a campaign, writing a brief, or setting up the reporting, we will talk to a group, and you can do this a number of times. The sub accounts, so let's take a quick look at the sub accounts. So this is my account here. I actually have some sub accounts added. So the process would be simply click the add sub account and give the sub account a name and click add. This is going to then create the new sub account. And as you can see here, you're going to give it a name, choose a city, choose a country. You can upload an avatar. You can choose a time zone, and you can add a URL. You can also give it a description. Now, clicking on the account is going to unlock some options here. So this is where you set the email, set the username, and set the password. You can also set the subscription settings and the payment settings. Now, associates is where you're going to see who are connected to this account. So obviously I'm the holder of the account here. This is an example email address I've added. You can also add email addresses here and remove email addresses that are currently added. The permissions is where you set the permissions for the account. So this is where you choose which one of your sub accounts you would like to set the permissions for. So let's just do that now. Click add. As you can see, I've been added to that account. To remove, simply remove. What this allows you to do is if you have an umbrella account, let's say you have the global account for your business and you have international branches of your business, you can then separate out those international branches so that everyone has their own access to the platform, but you as the global controller will have access to the umbrella account. You'll be able to check what's going on, and you'll be able to see who has access, and you will be able to have the overview of all of the other accounts.